Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name black color, red color, blue color, green color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. 2. The numbers of 2. Kids again use black color and draw 3. 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and again use black color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. 7, 8. Kids again use red color and draw 9, 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.